Hello to the vast audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. We are today going to make an amazing dish from potatoes and ham. For that, we need to start with cutting down the potatoes into very small pieces, light pieces. And let's have the first line of the dish. We are putting potatoes onto the bottom of it. And then adding some ham. Whenever done, let's go on and cover all of this with a lot of grated cheese. Add as much as possible. And whenever done, we'll go to the next step and do it again. One line of potatoes and then ham and then again cheese on the top of it. And let's make a sauce for this. 2 tablespoons of flour, a little bit of salt, red pepper, black pepper, and a little bit of milk. Let's mix all of this together. Meanwhile, make sure that the dish is in the oven and is being cooked. And whenever it is half cooked, we are going to add this sauce onto the top of it. Let's put it back to the oven and make sure it is all cooked with this sauce as well. And whenever done, you can cut it down and voila, it is ready to be tasted. We hope you will like it. Good appetite!